Alright guys, so I'm going to show you in this quick video how to find unsaturated niche and a way to look at keywords and designs that you can use to compete in that niche. Now, I'm not saying this is going to be a 15-20 sales a day type shirt. I'm saying this is going to be a maybe 1 or 2 a week type shirt you could do. So if you like it, give it a try. Do other things than what I showed in this video. This may not be the best example. It's just one I did on the fly. Also, click follow and show first on your page settings for my page here. That way you don't miss my posts. You'll get notified when I post. And thank you all for following me again. I really do appreciate it. So let's jump into the video here next. Alright guys, it's Ryan here. A lot of you sent me a lot of questions, lots of ideas. I appreciate all of that. I've had a good chance to talk to quite a few of you guys, so that's awesome. Thank you. If you haven't, go to the follow settings on the page and set it up so that you see me first in your timeline so that you can get my videos. Facebook doesn't always show them to people. So do that. But a lot of you have asked questions about keyword research, how to target people, how to find small niches without competition. So we're just going to do something I do on the fly every now and then. So I haven't done this yet. Let's just check this out and see how this will come. So an idea you could do, let's do top 10 songs, movies, anime. No, we'll do let's do something small. Let's go obscure. SNES games, superheroes, nah. You could do pets, hobbies. Let's do hobbies. Hobbies are broad. People like stuff. Top 10 weird hobbies. Top 10 strange hobbies. Let's just do top 10 obscure hobbies. Let's see what comes up. All right. So we've got competitive dog grooming, milk bottle collecting, soap carving, tape art, train spotting, collecting, extreme ironing, Hiroku Doradango. I don't even know what that is. Naval fluff collecting. I didn't know that was a thing. But that could be interesting. So geocaching, stamp collecting, origami, bird watching, parkour, calligraphy. Pick any of these, wherever you want to go. So let's just pick one of these. Let's do soap carving. Soap carving. I haven't checked Amazon yet, but let's find out. Soap carving shirt. Look at that. So the actual targeting of that, soap carving is dope. So 2 shirts there. Eat, sleep, cut soap, relax. Keep calm, cut soap. Keep calm and cut soap. You can't scare me. I cut soap. So what was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 shirts targeting that. Then there's soap. Then it targets carving. So 477 results for people who carve. But when you think you may have started in wood, most people would target the wood carving in that niche. Carving, people carve a lot of things. Soap. So let's just check this top result. Has it ever sold? Nope, but it's only been on here since June 27th. It's only been on here a month. So let's look at their stuff here. They did soap carving as a way to express your creative mind. Saddle up, grab your soap bar, chisels, and knives, and carve away. Carving soap, blah, blah, blah. So these designs, it's not very complex. I don't know. One person is coming here. This is just one guy's shirts. He's put them all in here. They're kind of blah. I'm curious. What is the best-selling design in wood carving? The big niche. Wood carving shirt, word cloud. Art glossary, wood carver gift. Okay, so let's look at that. What is this? Look at that. It is literally a word cloud of keywords. Keywords for this niche. Honestly, you could pretty much take this same concept, search for soap, carvers, go to Etsy, find people who sell soap on there, go on Instagram, go on Pinterest, look up who these people are that are carving soap, and figure out what terms they use. Go learn that community, then make a design for that shirt. Spend like 2 hours digging through them, find out what it is, start writing down words you're seeing them use often, terms, type of imagery. Is it men? Is it women? Is it kids? Is it grandmas? Target it for that sort of thing. Maybe they'll buy their own, maybe not. Maybe if you spend some time in that community and actually engage with the people and just tell them what you're doing. Say, hey, I make shirts on Amazon and I'd like to learn how to make ones that appeal to your community. I'm not here to sell you a shirt. I just want to learn about your community. Tell them that when you join the group. And I bet you they'd be willing. People love talking about their passion. If you can find someone who's passionate and just talk to them, maybe you'll get some ideas. Maybe one person in that group will just strike up a conversation with you. You never know what you'll